With many local laws that are starting to reach their maturity and compliance dates, and new local laws like Local Law 97, reducing your facility's energy and carbon emissions has never been more prevalent than it is today. This presentation will highlight some of the low-hanging fruit opportunities within your facilities that can assist in reaching the goals with less out-of-pocket costs, high energy savings, quick paybacks, and high rates of return. We have identified some products and services that should be analyzed immediately in order to move your facility in the right direction. LED lighting is one of the first upgrades, if not the first upgrade that should be looked at within a facility. It has a very low cost of implementation in comparison to other energy solutions and provides a very high rate of return. Lighting consists of around 18% of a multifamily facility's energy consumption and carbon emissions in New York City buildings. That being said, a reduction in your lighting consumption costs plays a large factor when it comes to your overall electrical cost. Unlike incandescent and older technology, LED lights use 80 to 90% of the energy consumed towards creating light rather than heat. For example, a 60-watt incandescent light can be replaced with a 6-watt LED bulb that will provide the same amount of light, making LED the most efficient lighting technology. LEDs also have a longer lifespan. They will last 10 years or more as they are rated between 50 to 100,000 hours. This results in less time the building staff is being utilized for lighting replacements, lowering maintenance costs significantly. It is important to mention that adding lighting controls will enhance energy savings and allow you to comply with local laws. Although lighting controls will increase the overall cost of a project, they yield much higher savings and qualify for higher incentives. Just as upgrading to LED lighting technology saves energy, upgrading electric motors in your building from old designs to new will lower energy bills. It may surprise you how much energy is used by motors in your facility. Energy savings of an easy motor come from two key areas. First, there are magnets inside the motor that reduce electrical losses incurred by the windings. Second, by including a computer in the motor, we can control its speed and power output. These two differences result in a motor that uses much less energy than other designs while running cooler, quieter, and under precise control. The opportunities in a building to look for electric motor upgrades are wide. Anywhere air or water is being moved is an opportunity. For residential buildings, this means pumps, air handlers in common areas, roof exhausters, fan coils, and heat pumps. Variable frequency drives are another technology that goes hand in glove with motor upgrades. A variable frequency drive, or VFD for short, is a device that can control the speed of an electric motor. A motor on its own can only run at one or sometimes two speeds. A VFD changes the way electricity flows into a motor and can make the motor run at virtually any speed you require. When slowing down a motor, it no longer needs to work as hard, so you save energy. Ultraviolet germicidal irradiation is a sterilization method that utilizes ultraviolet energy to break down microorganisms or inactive viral, bacterial, and fungal species. UVC irradiation alters the molecular bonds within the ability of DNA of a microorganism, thereby destroying them, rendering them harmless, or prohibiting growth and reproduction. For the most effective microbial control, UVC emitters are installed in the supply side of the air system, downstream from the cooling coil and above the drain pan. This location provides more effective biofilm and microbial control than in-duct UVC installations. Clean coils improve heat transfer, airflow, compressor runtime, and operational efficiency, helping you save up to 15% in electrical energy. Upfront costs are a major barrier to implement all the energy efficiency projects previously mentioned in this video. Luckily, many utilities in New York and other states offer incentives to install systems that reduce energy consumption overall. These monetary facilities are funded by charging utility customers in specific rate classes a monthly bill adjustment factor. Yet, participating in these programs is time-consuming, complicated, and sometimes expensive.
At DVM Industries, our job is to help clients navigate through this complicated process with often lengthy applications and bureaucratic paperwork, and maximize rebates to offset the capital cost of each project. We identify and quantify the most suitable programs for our clients by negotiating with the utilities, filling out applications, arranging all inspections needed, and getting rebate approvals. In addition, our fees are fully contingent on securing and maximizing these cash payments for our clients.
DVM will take an in-depth look at your facility and develop an energy plan on how your facilities can be optimized. Using a unique project design and solution development process, DVM effectively analyzes financial, energy, and environmental data, allowing you to become informed on the proper measures to be taken to lower your facility's operating costs and increase your sustainability position.